Yung golden! Yung golden! Golden. Ano yung golden? Ano bang pangalat ng golden? Golden nga! Golden lang? Oo. Yung kay Rumi. Sina? Golden karaoke.
Tayo niya dahil nag-win.
Oh? So, dapat. Hindi ko alam nga ito eh. Ano? Puro ka lang. Ganun naman talaga yun eh. K-pop shit lang eh. Alas! K-pop. Tigil ka. Tigil ka.
Hindi maintindihan. Eh, bukal na nga, hindi pa maintindihan lalo.
I was alone, ha, you be the throne, I didn't know how to give. I was the freedom I meant to be, I lived to learn, but I think books aside, but I couldn't find my own place. When the problem's done, 'cause I got to what I've done, now don't forget getting paid. You can see I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like a born to be. Living what we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Nothing gonna be going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up. Look me out of voices. You better just hold it. Don't look at the golden. Oh, I'm hiding. Now I'm shining like a born to be. I know there's no limit to the force to be. When it's so hard to wait before to feel. But these colors all love. I feel like the girl they see. I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, boys that show us down. Now I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You're gonna get love, gonna be now. Wow. Oh, I'm done hiding now. Be shining like I want to be. Our time is not like that. We want to be. You're gonna be golden. Gonna be born to be glowing. Another big golden. You're golden. Our time is not like that. We want to be.
Sabay ko, malamit ko yan.
Para bigyan ka.
Tayo mo daw sa tenga, sabi niya niya.
Pause na ako.
Galing mo yan. Golden ah.
Alam ko si Goldie.
Bawal si Chris na mabas. Bawal.
No! No!
Kumakat na siya golden.
Oo nga, ako lagi ng kakanta. Bakit naman ako eh?
Oh, thank you. Ako sige, napunta mo kami ah.
Miss mo.
Hindi, Prince.
Ay, boy, pwede na to. Ayaw, bisay.
Hello, ba't na? Hello, naman. Hello, hello.
Makain yung loba.
Hello. Dana,
bihira na sa slow. Up-parting din.
Nakakapaiba?
Nakakon, lobat. Ako yung may lobat.
Yes, nakin nga. Ngayon, robot kayo.
Wala na kanta. Nakakatawa si Sister.
Pwede ka tayo. At least mo
Wala na bang battery dyan? Patay mo na. Patay mo na. Patay mo na. Ay! Dapat iba siyang ulo ni Prince, oh. Oh. Na! Ulit talaga. Minot ka sa cellphone. Dead mom ako. Dead mom ako.
Ba yan?
Dead mom ako. Sa cellphone ka manood. Patay na yan, parang hindi ko nakikinig.
Huwag ka dyan manood sa TV, Prince. Manood ka lang sa cellphone kung manonood ka lang pala.
Patay mo yung lahat. Labas oh.
Dito lang mo sa motor yun.
Ay, hindi.
mga to. Ano to? Mama to. Madali mo na yan.